What is up everybody, welcome to 1-2-Step YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can make NSFW channel on your Discord mobile. So it's pretty simple. The only thing you need is you need to be the admin of the server. In another word, you need to be the owner of the server to do this. So yeah, if you guys are the owner of the server, then you guys are pretty much set to go. So let me show you guys how you guys can do it. But before I show you the step, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel 1-2-Step so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's start the video now. Once you're in the Discord server, you want to click on the channel which you want to make NSFW. So right now I want to make this general NSFW. Once I click on this general, I want to swipe left over here and then this screen opens up. Once this screen opens up, I want to click on where it says setting. Once I'm in my setting, tick mark where it says NSFW channel. Now once you click on NSFW, it is tick marked. Now basically it's gonna ask you to choose the age group required to join this channel, but I've already set that up. If you guys haven't, then it's gonna ask you to. And after setting the minimum age requirement to join the channel, you can, the setting is pretty much done. You can go back. And as you guys can see, the NSFW channel has been created. Now for me to join, I can click on continue. And if my age requirement is, complete, I can join it. And yeah, to turn it off as well, I can just swipe right, click on setting, untick NSFW, and it is done. So that's basically how you guys can do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel 1-2-Step so you guys can get notified for our future video. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Until then, have a nice day everybody. Bye bye.